Gumala naman sila.
Kagabi. Hindi mo lang ako invite. Hindi na talaga ako importante sa kanila. Nakakatampo naman. Machat nga. I'm jealous that in like that. Nasaktan ako, but it doesn't mean na maging mean na din ako sa kanila. Sorry na ako moment sa kanila. Hey. I'm sorry. I think I felt left out when I saw your Mighty. You're so very mean. Huh? Oh, it's okay. I have fault too. May kasalanan din ako dahil hindi mo lang kita niniyaya. Lumabas kami ng hindi ka kasama. I really miss hanging out with you. I'm missing hang out with you too. That's a good idea. I love that. Oh, I'm looking forward for that. Can I hug you?